Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Today I wanted to share an online haul purchase. I was looking on Freckled Fawn and they had some clearance going on, so I thought I would take advantage of their clearance sale. I really love Freckled Fawn, but I actually haven't ordered from them in quite a while, so let's dig in. So everything that I purchased was on sale for $1, except one item which was $1.25. Shipping is a little expensive, but they did send it out priority. So let's take a look. Alright, so the first thing that I got are these washies. These are some Christmas ones, the holly leaves, and then the red trim. Cute. Those were $1. And then the antlers and the spider. Cute. And then they had some stuff that was left over from their kits. They were like things by the month, so we have a whole lot of Project Life cards, and I guess I'll probably have to go back onto their website to see which ones go to which sets, because I tried to buy the ones that had paper with them. So it looks like these are all the Project Life cards. They're so pretty. I might flip through of those. And then these are the ones that were $1.25. These were the Christmas ones. So I did pay $1.25 for these, and everything, all of these were $1 each. And then these cute rainbow stickers. Oh, and these are just some like washi sheets. And like I said, I know that some of them were sets that go together, so that probably goes with that one. And then these washi stickers. Cute. Oh, another set of rainbow stickers. And I know these go with, I think it was this set. And then these also match that. Look cute. And I think I have this actual washi tape from them. I'm sure that I do. And then these are, oh, this is maybe some free Traveler's Notebook papers. Possibly. I don't know if I ordered it in Christmas, but it says thanks. So maybe. Some labels. And then here are the paper, I think they're 6 by 8, the paper sheets. And yeah, there's a great selection. So these are like the Traveler notebook sizes, and these are the 6 by 8 sizes. And I did try and get them to match, you know, like I know that I was able to find the stickers for that set, the washi for that set, this and this. So like all of these are one set. They're so pretty. I really like that muted color. Okay, so we got, yikes, a bunch of these. These are so pretty. Probably hoard them forever. Christmas, which is great. So those go with these. And I got this in the Traveler's Notebook paper size because they didn't have the 6 by 8 size. Okay, and then I got these number stickers for December Daily. They're super cute. And then I did get a die. I think this was $2, but this was the Santa with the reindeer. So yeah, super excited. Haven't ordered from them in a while because I usually just hoard their supplies and I won't use them, but I don't know, I want to like take a peek inside this paper and see, is it double-sided? What's the quality? Let's take a quick look. All right. Oh, so it's like nice quality, nice and thick, double-sided. It's so pretty. I'm in love. Okay, I'm very happy with this. Look at how gorgeous that is. I mean, I can make tons of stuff with these. Cards, junk journals. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's just randomly pick one more. I guess, you know what, let's look at the Traveler's Notebook papers. This is the Christmas one. So pretty. I love it. Oh, how nice. So it looks like you get 2 of each one. So if you don't like one side, you have the other side. Yeah, these are great. Alright guys, that's my haul. I should not have been on there looking. I knew if I went on, I was going to end up buying stuff. I just couldn't resist. But yeah, I need to like start making projects and using all these wonderful goodies. Alright, well, thanks so much for stopping by, guys. Has anyone else been ordering from Freckled Fawn? I have a whole like specific cubby of just their supplies that I keep separate from everything else because I love them so much. Okay, thanks so much. Talk to you soon. Bye.